Hi guys! Today guys, we're going to our property in Arinas because it should be, we have a vlog today here in the mountain which is the harvesting rice, but unfortunately our workers didn't arrive because of rain and maybe other reasons, but maybe tomorrow again.
Okay, so maybe tomorrow we'll do the
Yeah.
rice harvest up here.
Yeah.
Today we
There,
got drama
back.
going on down at the house site. We were out of concrete blocks apparently, so we're gonna go handle that situation.
Yeah.
Ready?
Ready.
All right, let's go.
You wanna use your jacket?
Because the sun is burning me to a crisp again. At least the sun is
Your
out.
skin is like lechon already.
It's lechon for sure. All right, let's go.
Yeah. Ouch.
Let's see if we can make it down this muddy trail again today.
Yeah. Whee.
All right, ready?
Ready.
Lechon?
Lechon.
These rocks are really slippery.
Yeah.
You got a lot of fist-sized rocks down there. And they're slick. They're full of slimy clay and algae.
James
just-
always telling me, guys, that the road is like a bar soap,
Yeah.
especially when the mud mixed with the
Yeah, the rocks are
stone.
slippery. They're not giving us traction. They're actually slippery. It's like trying to drive around on greasy.
It's good that our motorcycle is very durable.
It's good that it doesn't cost very much because we keep dropping this thing in the rocks all the time.
Yeah.
Full of mud and dirt and scraped across the pavement and rocks. It keeps ticking. I got a lot of respect for Honda now,
Yeah.
I'll tell you that.
And be careful of the wiring there near in your head.
You be careful with the selfie stick.
Here.
Whoa! I was reading about
That is the
dirt bikes, and I think what we need is a Suzuki DR650. Yeah?
DR
Yeah.
CRL.
DR650. That looks like a really tough bike. It's got a lot of clearance, it's lighter considering the amount of displacement it has, and it's got a skid plate on the bottom
Yeah.
for the off-roading.
I'll just walk there.
Okay, go ahead. Before I crash.
Oh my god.
I can-
My legs are sore.
It's a little hazy out there, but I can see the Sulu Sea out there.
Ouch. Look at my legs. Yeah. Ouch.
Alright.
So I'm gonna switch the camera, guys. James, there's a delivery of trucks.
Alright, let's go take a look at it.
Hollow blocks.
Is it? That's not a very big truck.
Because maybe if the big truck, maybe it will stuck to the muddy road. So that's why they use the small one.
Alright. Are those the right size?
4, maybe 4. 6, I think 6.
Is that what they ordered?
Yeah,
They're not using 6 in there, are they?
they're using 6
They
for
are.
the bottom. Mukhang maligna nong masyado. Takas manong kato. Oo. Ubos at abi tag amon nga mabahol. Lexi. Abo-abi among tao hay. Kuno lang sige sir.
You want to buy a truck like that? Yeah?
Terus ko. 300 dunong na. Oo.
50 pa nga yun. Namatatan lang.
Oo.
This camote is drying me out. I need something to drink. Wanna go get some Coke?
Yeah.
Let's go to the sorry.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go.
That's your lunch.
Yeah, it's good. It's actually really tasty.
Yeah, and healthy, you know?
Okay, the music stopped.
Because this
The
is
day the
have
music
big-
stopped and they were
have big speakers
singing.
here.
Okay, what are we doing here?
Look at their papaya, different variety.
It is amazing to me how the papaya grows in the Philippines. That is a phony variety. Look how tall.
As our papaya in the mountain is like this, but
Yeah.
there's a bitter gourd here.
Huh?
Bitter gourd.
Oh, bitter gourd. I see it. Yeah. Oop.
James told me that, guys, that he need a caffeine.
Caffeine rather than calamansi. I told her I need
Yeah.
caffeine.
Yeah, this
Alright.
is for the workers, guys. I give them
It's their break time. What do you
Yeah.
call it? What do you call that? Brunch?
Merienda.
Merienda?
Merienda is like a snacks for afternoon. Merienda.
All right, cool.
I
Let's
have calamansi here and then
iced
bread.
iced
tinapay.
calamansi and tinapay.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go.
Drink your caffeine first. Instead of caffeine, guys, you said caffeine.
I'm just teasing you. All right. Right outside.
Let's look at what they've done.
The springtime sun, whatever you want to call it, the March sun here, burns brightly. It's hot. In it. We got a lot of sand and 3/4 now, huh?
My feet yesterday.
Don't step
guys,
in that.
was-
I thought you broke your ankle. That was terrible. You scared Nana and me both. She stepped right in that. And then she tried to pull her foot up and it got caught in there. Ton is getting our plumbing supplies, guys. It's looking good. The door to the bedroom here. This is going to be the porch, guys. You come in the rainy season and you're all soaked and you got your raincoat on and you want to take it off and hang it up before you come in the house. Kind of a necessity here, huh? A good porch?
Yeah.
Especially in the rainy season. Look at that wall. All right. Looks good. Good. What do you think? Looks good?
It's our room. It's our room. There's here a big, what do you call this? A
Yeah.
window. This part.
Mm-hmm.
This is window.
I should explain, guys, about the. A lot of people are getting on me about now is the time to do the electric. And guys, I'm going to do it the Filipino way. I know a lot of people are going to be mad about that, but to budget all that extra stuff to do it the American way is huge. It'd be a huge investment. Yeah. And instead of doing that, guys, I'm going to build a split system between the utility and the solar. The solar is going to be a backup at first for our satellite receiver for the Starlink, and it's going to in other words the Wi-Fi, and it's going to be a backup for the lighting and the fans. So there'll be a separate 12-volt system for the fans and the lighting, for like emergency lighting. We'll be able to just turn the switch on, and there'll be a separate 12-volt system, and then there'll be an inverter for the Starlink and anything else that needs an inverter. We've got a source of pretty good batteries in the town of Kalibo here, and we'll probably go over to Numancia Solar, and we'll also check out some solar companies that people have referred me to, and I'll see who's got the cheapest deal for the most power, the most cost-effective deal for the solar. But we're not on an unlimited budget here, and for us, we're not going to be heavy electric users. We're putting in a solar water heater, so we're not using on-demand water heater for the electricity. And I don't even think, unless there's a medical reason, like a pregnancy or something, I don't think we're going to to use the air conditioner. But we are wiring the room for a window air conditioner here. But we're not going to use it unless it's really needed. Otherwise, it's going to be fans, because I never in my life use air conditioner. Even in Missouri in the heat, I'll sleep at night with a fan blowing in my face from the window.
And here is you don't need electric fan because it's windy.
Yeah, there's a constant wind here, guys.
Yeah.
So.
And our roof is a little bit elevated already. That's
Yeah.
why the hot.
Yeah, like I said when we walked in here, the sun is just lasering down on us, and it's not bad in here.
Yeah.
When you have, and the main thing that I'm concerned about is the brownouts, because it disrupts your life at night when the lights go out and the Wi-Fi goes out, and you know you're at dinner and all the lights go out and you don't have any fans or anything, that's a little bit disruptive. So we're going to eliminate that, and we're going to eliminate that for fairly low cost, because it doesn't take a lot of money to wire the house and put 12-volt backup lights in and backup Wi-Fi. So
The solar is really good choice.
it is, but it gets really expensive if you want to use it for the air conditioning and for the refrigeration. And at some point in the future, we will. If we have something that needs to be refrigerated that we're selling, or you want to sell ice or something like that, do the sorry store thing, or do the piece of Wi-Fi hooked to our Starlink, and sell ice and soda. If you want to do that at some point in the distant future, that's fine. Then we'll expand the solar so that we can use our chest freezer. But
For now,
yeah, because that'd be pretty awesome, you know. If you can run your chest freezer on your own electricity, and you know you'd be coming out ahead selling ice and stuff, yeah. But it's looking good.
Roxy is here too.
I think a lot of our viewers are like upper to middle class, maybe. Not a lot, but some. And so they want central air, and if you want all that, guys, you can do that. I mean, it's just going to cost a lot extra, and I've never in my life had that. So for me, it's not essential, because I don't intend to spend my whole day in the house. I mean, if you're the kind that's going to spend most of your time inside your house, I understand why you want central air and you want to have a hobby room and all that kind of stuff. But for Karen and I, we're going to be out doing adventures, right? The house is a place to sleep, and you know.
But we make it durable, guys, so that it's
Yeah.
for forever use.
Yeah, we'll hopefully be able to hide here if there's storms and stuff. I know you were hiding under the bookshelf during which hurricane was it?
Yolanda.
Yolanda.
I was there inside of bookshelf. We are there, nanay, tatay, my 3 sisters, my 4 brothers.
So that's why you're so
It's
concerned.
9. We are 9 inside.
9 hiding under a bookshelf.
Yeah.
Okay.
I was
in
a
Yolanda.
kid before, like grade 6. I was
Okay.
in grade 6.
And since grade 6, in your whole life, that's been the worst one?
Yeah.
Pretty much the only one that took your
Because
roof off and threatened you?
Yeah, when you go out, all the roof will cut your
Yeah, it's
neck.
true. I can see it. Yeah.
All of our roof disappear.
I
You
believe
cannot
it.
hide in the
believe
forest
it.
because all the plants and all the trees.
Well, we might
was
do a little
fell.
contingency planning here.
Huh?
We might do some contingency planning, like in Missouri.
Yeah.
It's common to have a root cellar or a storm cellar where you can go if the 200-mile-an-hour tornado comes bearing down on your place. So you got some place to run under and hide underground.
Yeah, here in Philippines, if there's a storm, because we have trauma already of the Yolanda, people tying their roof
You tie the roof down.
with
yeah. Sandbags. Weigh it.
sandbags and a wood. Tie it so that it won't
Now,
disappear.
that's why our engineer talked me out of putting the insulation under the panels. He said that the panels would be loose because the insulation will take a set. So the soundproofing, I guess, is going to be either between the ribs, or it's going to be in the drop ceiling, whichever one.
And our roof, guys, we add this last Sunday, a screws to make it more durable.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I would doubt we're going to see that roof fly off anytime soon. It's pretty stable, pretty good and stable. And you got all these heavy internal walls. I mean, the idea that the wind is going to get us in here is you know, it might tear the roof off, but if you got a lot of small rooms to hide in that are reinforced with rebar, you know.
Yeah, but I think this is is durable too.
Yeah, I don't think we're gonna have a problem.
You see these big beams?
Yeah,
Even earthquake cannot.
Never say never. Never say never, but yeah, I mean, it's within reason. I mean, you should be reasonably safe here. It's good enough. All right, it's a nice sunny day. Hopefully the ground dries out because it did rain a lot last night. I mean, it usually takes about one good blue dome day. It's mostly sunny today to dry the ground out after heavy rain like that.
And the truck,
The little lightweight,
Delivering.
what is that? A Suzuki multi-cab?
a Rusco,
Rusco?
yeah,
A little lightweight Rusco.
that have dual.
They did 2 loads of blocks so far.
Yeah.
So they delivered, guys, that little Rusco truck
That is size 6.
delivered all those blocks today. 2 deliveries though. The big truck of the Godfather delivers how much, Karen? How much does the Godfather's big truck deliver? He put a lot more than this in there, right?
But the problem is when it's heavy.
Yeah, he'll
stop.
sink up to the axles.
Yeah.
We know.
I chatted them that don't deliver today because
Yeah, he'll be good and stuck.
yeah. Because since we have enough
Mhm.
sand already,
Mhm.
I will just call them if we need already. But for now is
That's good. All right.
Roxy, where are you from? Guys, did you see that dog over there? Is it male?
I think it's a female.
Oh my god.
Maybe they're just.
Maybe they will fight because maybe Roxy stole his.
They're just missing.
Maybe Roxy stole her husband.
Did you do that, Roxy?
Roxy, don't go there, or else I won't give you the treat. He put Mark, guys, inside. I don't know how she did that.
Yeah, she managed to make some foot tracks in there, didn't she? Some paw prints. Yeah. It's good. All right, Karen.
But this Sundays you need to sift first before you make it like a rough finish.
Oh, for the rough finish, yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah, you can't. You don't want.
We should do like this every day.
We gotta get. What do you use for that window screen?
Yeah.
That's crazy.
Yeah.
All right.
So here, guys, James put a tie in our string beans. He said that it's not tall enough, so that's why we'll just leave the tie there for preparation. And here, guys, I have a food for our chicken. These are the bars, guys, that we don't use already because the this ring shape ring bars is not same size what we are using now. B, please give this to them, B.O. for the Brahmo. We need to buy more. We'll buy more later.
Yeah, let's go get some
Yeah.
before it starts raining.
And we need to the eggs. Stop the eggs.
Oh yeah, we gotta go stop the egg turner.
Yeah. Hello. Hello, I miss you. They are big now.
They look good.
So big.
Even the black one, he looks
So
pretty nice too now.
huge. So huge. Cute, 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 cute. Look like hen already, this girl.
Yeah.
Need more water, Bill. The water is not enough for sure. I'll just
Clean it.
get
Yeah.
more for the Rhode Island. I saw a rooster. There's a lot of rooster there, be.
Yeah, we got more roosters than we wanted.
Oh my god, like 5, I think.
Maybe.
We eat the 2 and there's 3 left here. You can see this, guys. 1, 2, 3, 2, 4. I think 4 only is the girl.
Yeah, we're gonna have to go buy some more, Karen.
Oh my god.
Yeah, I noticed.
We don't need the 4. We don't need
We
the
need
5.
laying hens. It's so hard to get laying hens. I know.
You wanna bring them? Some of those?
Go ahead, yeah.
We'll eat them?
Gonna have to. There's no sense in having that many roosters.
Yeah, because they eat a lot.
Yeah. Alright. It's okay.
I'll get more pellets.
Yeah.
We cannot identify before, guys, the male and female there in our supplier. That's why.
Yeah.
Look at the result right now. We don't have choice, guys. Our choice only is to eat them since they eat a lot, and we only need 2 or 1 rooster for those 4 female. We don't have enough food here now. We need to buy more. We've been busy last time, guys, for the house. That's why we forgot to buy more. What if I'll just buy a socks instead of buying little by little. But the difficult only, guys, is to how to bring, because our motorcycle, James and I only using this, so it's difficult to bring if there's a sack, since we have box. We just buy only kilos per kilos. B, can you help me here? Oh, check it. But those four are very fatty.
Come on, you chickens. Look out. None of that.
Be careful.
No biting.
Be
They could use a little more. Let's
ouch,
make them
there's
really
a
fat.
scratch in my
Oh, Karen, watch that. You better off to make bamboo cages now.
They look big.
They're doing all right, yeah.
You wanna buy some food for
Yeah,
them?
let's go get some food. Give them another scoop. They should have pretty much be on unlimited right now.
Yeah.
Even though the feed is 18%, it should be at 16% now. But since we have so many roosters in there, you might as well feed them a lot, right?
Yeah. And water. It's good if we have corn here. Guys,
let's-
we're planning to
Yeah.
plant more
You want to
corn.
grow some field corn, or do you want to grow regular sweet corn?
Yeah,
All right.
the regular lang. But that glutinous corn we have is good also.
Okay. I like the corn to grow tall. That way we can sneak bean seeds under them, pole beans.
Yeah. The truck is cute, B, no? Ka-cute ay.
Yeah, I like it.
Steel truck. Suzuki. I thought
Yeah, it's
it's
a Suzuki. That's what I thought.
I thought it's a Rusco.
It probably came from Japan or Korea.
Yeah.
Nice.
That is a 3 pistons, James.
3 piston?
Yeah.
Is it a diesel or a gas?
Gasoline.
Okay. You know, it's not bad. It's light. It gets in here anyway when the ground is really muddy. Is it all-wheel drive? 4-wheel drive? All-wheel drive?
Our pipes arrived already, guys, from the hardware that we bought. This is not included the toilet. And here it cost like 14,000 already. Here, this is already complete, so that tomorrow, guys, they can start already the CR. And the house already looks cute, guys, when there's already a wall. This is the living room.
Karen, what is this?
Huh?
What is this attached to the pin on the hand grenade?
So that the big people cannot enter.
What is this one? Snare?
Wow. This is the window, guys. Window 1, window 2, and then big window to our master's bedroom.
Nice.
It's nice. They use big hollow blocks here, guys, like 6 size. And the window that we're gonna use for this is tinted so that no one can see outside. Unlike in our sliding window in our house in the mountain, that it's not. That's why I want here the tinted James, you want a tinted window? Like no one can see you inside?
Tinted?
Yeah.
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 That's good.
It. And there's a guy over there, guys, that delivering still the hollow blocks. It's 200. There's a 200 there. Tomorrow maybe some, because he said that I don't know if he can finish the deliver. I said tomorrow some, since the truck can still climb even it's really slippery. Changing oil. Makadugang-dugang pata sa gawig dat mga ano. Okay guys, let's change oil the motorcycle. This is the motorcycle we use, guys, when we got the compactor. In ay! Sus! Oh my goodness.
Yeah, use oil naman da.
Ay, kanugon, pwede pa tani butang sa amon man. Butang bagong i-change oil ko doon. Yamalub ton.
Knock.
Yamalub.
Oh, somebody. Yamalub.
Gusto na nga ikaw na magniwang. Mamabuko na nga buyon. Oh my goodness. Our motorcycle is like a tractor now, guys. Because our road is very muddy. Ano sa suwad kanton? Anong filter?
Filter jet. Yeah, that is filter jet.
Roxy, what you are doing?
Roxy jet.
Oops.
Oh my goodness, maybe that.
May I see? So.
Coconut dayara. Tuntog na tinao ko nin. Ibaligyan ako.
Oil filter. Na para na kami na. Bye-bye. James, let's go. Ready, set, go.
Alright, let's go. We might need keys to go, Karen.
Shh.
Here they are. Roxy doesn't want us to go.
Yeah.
You need to teach her.
She said that you will leave me again here alone. Ano kami na, bye-bye. Aray.
Bye.
Aray means ouch. Aray.
Well, why didn't you just say ouch?
Because English, so that you understand.
Okay.
But in our dialect is we call aray.
Alright.
Now when you are shocked or it's painful, you say aray instead of ouch, ha?
Okay. Alright.
Aray. I saw smoke there.
Again?
People are burning to avoid the
Manok?
no, the mosquito.
Lomo.
Manok is chicken. Are you crazy? Are you crazy?
The manok are kicking around here. They don't make a lot of smoke. They're like raptors.
Our road is like rice field already. We just need the seeds of rice. A lot of starling here, no?
Yeah.
I wanna catch them, guys. I wanna raise them, their chicks,
Yeah. I
to be
raised.
tame. Since I
Very
saw James starling before, it's very cute.
You knew a lot of words.
Yeah,
Let's see, what do we got here?
he's really smart. 'Cause, 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 'cause,
Less traffic than last time, huh?
Yeah.
Wow, look how many people are on the motorcycle.
Where? Oh.
Just three. Three's half normal, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes 6.
Five people in motorcycle is normal here in Philippines. Sometimes you can see 7.
7. I don't think I've seen 7. I've seen 6 pretty regular. Oh, it's nice when the road's deserted.
Yeah, it's not traffic. Unlike yesterday that, oh my goodness.
Go a little faster.
What I'm afraid of is the big trucks that using this road.
Yeah.
That is, oh my goodness, that is not comfortable for them.
I love that big back road.
Comfortable for them because the tire is only exact to the road. This is that truck looks like the truck yesterday.
Which one?
The blue one.
Oh, the one that crashed? Same model.
Yeah. Oh my god. What's that? You can see any people.
You're running the compactor for overtime, huh?
Yeah.
Those your students?
Why? Where?
Past us.
I don't know. They're asking me if I'm teaching. I said I'm not teaching any.
Tell them that they scared you off. Oh, they're still pouring, huh?
Yeah.
Cool.
Even afternoon. Because this is Pakyawan team. You mean the full package
Package
from
deal?
the government? Yeah. There's a contractor that
So are they making overtime pay? Look at all the traffic backed
Yeah.
up. Wow, there's
the traffic is crazy here every time.
the jeepney survivor. They name their jeepneys.
Yeah. Like there's a burial here. Oh my god. That's why you see, said that it's not traffic. They was stopped.
What's going on over there? An accident?
I don't know.
Road up the mountain? Kitty's gonna pass the truck on the inside. Backpack too. The truck is blocking them.
Yeah. Because it's one way. And even here. Only here in Philippines. Yearly construction.
There's their budget and all. They put it up there for everybody to see.
Yeah.
Project.
The 10% is from us, chore. The affected is the people.
Got another guy passing us on the
When you are a construction worker and your daily salary is 500, you will say that the world is unfair.
Yeah, but you can go to the white sand beach too.
Yeah.
A lot of Americans in the freezing Midwest in the wintertime would say that's unfair.
The world is unfair if you are least.
Wow, look at all the stuff them two are carrying. Or should I say 3? Are there 2 or 3? 3.
Oh, there's such big trucks over here.
Another one behind us or what?
Yeah, behind us.
Sorry, I'm planning to pass this guy.
Oof. We are in the center. When they lose the brake. Oh my god. See?
These guys got. Here we go. I don't know, I don't like doing that up to the top of the hill.
And the dust is very itchy in our eyes.
How many on that one? That tricycle, did you see that? There are at least a dozen.
Dozen in tricycle is just a normal. When you see a 40 maybe. Welcome to Balebe. Left side. We are here now.
Estoy aquí.
Estoy aquí.
Nandito na ako.
Aki.
Aquí.
Yeah. That is for the
How do you
chicks.
say here?
Iyagon ako.
Okay.
Iyagon ako.
Okay.
This is the KG one, Namay?
You want that purple one? The
Yeah.
chickies?
Yeah. It's up to you. Let's go. What do you want? That one?
You can carry it home, yeah. Let's get the purple one.
Yeah. I'll try.
Chickies like that.
Yeah.
Go ahead. All right.
Oh.
That looks pretty good. I don't think they'll be able to get out of that one. May have to worry about the snakes or something, so Karen will wrap a window screen around it. The lowest percentage they got for feed here is 18% though, the protein.
650.
How much was that big one?
620.
620?
Yeah.
Let's get it, huh? You can carry it up the mountain?
We'll try.
Alright.
Anong kulay mo?
93 tanan.
Anong kulay?
Wala iba yun.
Dito dahil no.
Actually fairly quiet tonight. There we are. Hopefully we get lots of they hatch out so that they'll so that it's worth it, huh? You want to raise them on the mountain or take them down to a run house?
Mountain first.
Mountain?
Para mo.
There you go. How much is it per kilo?
Pila kaya per kilo mo?
39.
39.
39? Okay. Alright. Well, we'll cut out here then. We'll go up the mountain, huh?
It fit our box. It's fit. This box is very useful. You tie it very well. The last time is it. Oh my goodness.
Alright, let's go. Good?
Good.
Sige, sige.
Yeah.
Okay.
Here, how can I bring that?
Huh?
Okay. How use this?
Karen, you got some coins?
Kaya ma'am?
Iputa lang naman ng sa ano, tunga.
Ako ma'am.
Okay.
Sige. May kare ma'am.
Guys, here I am here.
Get in. Evening around here, guys. That's when you'll see some really funny things.
Is it difficult for you?
Yeah, this bike's tracking a little weird, but it's alright.
Oh, there's a banana.
Oh yeah, that's cool.
And then maybe we will do like that.
Yeah, he's got like a ton of bananas in there.
Same to us here, guys. The box is full. My feet is here. The best feeling.
Yeah, it's amazing how cool it is. Out here in the province, it's not hot. It smells like fresh cut hay, guys.
Like
Rice,
Missouri.
yeah, the rice field's been harvested next to here. People ask about
Oh, there's
what-
a baboy.
Oh,
Oink, oink, oink.
I think that's the same one we saw yesterday. The barn.
No, that's different.
It ain't trucks. Oh, the buses. Now we got a traffic jam going. Now we got traffic.
You said earlier, oh, it's no traffic.
Yeah, now we got traffic. Suzu.
It's pretty heavy, this.
All right, here we go. Truck line's out. We got a backhoe. What kind of traffic we got here? Oh. Riding this little stretch of the highway is like riding through the gauntlet here. Look at this. They're not leaving us much space, are they? Feels good now. Feels good. Feels like we're on track now. Our house is coming along nice. We got a little bit of issues with the garden, but I think we've got a viable path forward on most of our things that we want to grow crops. Tomatoes are being difficult. Yeah, we're busy now.
Even in the province. Busy. Mostly people have motorcycle nowadays.
It's better when people have motorcycles because the motorcycle's a lot smaller and the traffic moves along a lot better. When everybody can afford a pickup truck, it's going to be at a standstill. Nobody's going to go anywhere.
package.
So those guys just gotta keep going, huh?
That is package, James. They will delay or not, the money is still the same. That's why they need overtime.
Back to Aranas or up the mountain?
Aranas.
Aranas? Oh yeah, the food. There's something going on here. We gotta figure out how to carry our chicken coop with us easier.
It's pretty difficult though.
Oh, yeah. Back up here.
Even evening they're working, no?
We need to go off-roading. What do you think?
Yeah.
Oh, they're bored. There's the cat. There's the American equipment. Nice.
This is the advantage of having motorcycle.
Yep.
You can fit to traffic.
The bulldozer kuyas. The kuya dozers, whatever you want to call them. They're going to be stuck behind that cement truck, but we're going. We are on our way.
It's a little bit, there's a rain out.
Yeah.
Nice.
Okay, we have returned. Now what are you up to? The Manuk foods.
Oh.
Okay. Yeah?
Yeah, it's heavy though. Roxy think that this is her food.
She'll eat it. She'll eat anything, won't you, Roxy? You'll eat my shoes if I let you.
This is her.
That's Roxy's food there, guys. You don't want Roxy to know that, though, Karen. She'll tear that bag. Ton, what's the matter with your bike?
I changed the oil, James.
Oh, okay.
Pinili pa may coffee.
What do you put in there? 20W50? Air-cooled bikes, I guess they need 20W50, huh? Alright, let's go.
Ito na mauna kami tawan. Bili na naman mo cage dito sa dalan kabuga.
Yeah, we got a cage. Let's go.
Nay. Manaon mi kam. Manaon mi kam.
Isn't that nice? Still working in there.
Cleaning maybe.
Oh,
There's no worker tomorrow
that's sad. Should we
because they harvest
cook
rice.
food down here tomorrow?
Yeah. Because
You want to go to the beach?
yeah,
You want to go to the mountains? What should we do? There's so many things to do.
in Aroma Beach.
Where?
Let's go to Aroma Beach.
Let's go.
Joke. Tomorrow is other place.
Who's getting the dessert tonight? Us?
You have ice cream there left.
Alright, let's go eat it.
Ice cream lang.
Ice cream.
Yeah.
I wanted pizza for dessert.
What do you want? You have buy a little bit there. Next time we'll buy more.
Yeah, buy more. Pizza is always dessert here. The Greenwich pizza, guys, that we had in the last, what was it? Pepperoni pizza was really good, and the pineapple and ham was really terrible.
Oh, for me that is good.
I don't like it. Oh, this is terrible. We need to get rock dropped here, Karen. Just tell them to drop a load of rock on there.
The
Here we go. Let's go get our minnow cage.
this is the dog that always barking when we cross this road.
He's cute.
Maybe he thinks that he is so big. Maybe someone stole our cage, huh? Here, James. Hold this.
It's still there. It's still there because it's probably too difficult to carry.
I'll just put in the center.
Yeah, wherever you want to carry it.
I'll just put in your bottom.
That's just great. That's just great. I said, Karen, that's just great. I'm being sarcastic. Oh. All right, just don't hit me in the back of the head like you did last time with the other one. Ready?
Not yet. Difficult though.
All right. You want to put the camera away?
Yeah.
Here. All right. All right. What are we doing here, Karen?
Remove the unplug the ano. Unplug the ano. The egg
Let's see if I can do it with one hand.
I used to. I'll just hold it up.
Yeah. So this is the power for the egg turner, guys. Okay, good.
Because they will hatch March 21 and it's 18 now. 3 days before.
Good.
But I should rotate the Rhode Island.
Rotate the Rhode Island. How many days are they?
The other breed early 1 day.
I think that's okay.
It's okay?
Yeah.
Okay.
Here we are. I don't think that lid was on tight. Maybe that was the problem with the road.
They are not hatching if they are rotating.
Good. Yeah, because they need to orientate themselves in order to get out. They need to go like a can opener around in a circle with their little egg tooth that they got on.
Okay.
Ooh,
Yeah.
cherry pie and ice cream. All right.
We need to buy more.
Yes, we need much more.
Yeah.
And the supplies.
That's enough?
Yeah.
Happy now?
Of course I'm happy. All right.